MACH is coming up. It's the 4th to the 8th of April. I've been told, Zoller, you guys are going to be there. Hall 20, stand 460. What can we see at MACH?
Okay, so we've got the brand new for this year Genius machine. It's had a bit of a revamp. We're just awaiting delivery on that, so that'll be the first time that machine's been shown in the UK, so we're really excited to show that. And we'll also have our core products on there, so we'll have the Smile Compact, Smile Pilot 1 and the Smile 420 full CNC, along with our TMS.
But so you're going to be doing demos all week? People can come and see?
For sure, come and see us. We'll do a demo live on the stand.
Brilliant, and if people want to come and see all the products, is there any products that you think people are going to be really interested in?
I think the Genius is going to spark a lot, especially with the tool producers, because it's a good machine for us anyway. But I think the Pilot 1 always has good interest because it kind of covers entry level upwards.
Being your core product, people are going to come and see that anyway.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, yeah, hopefully, exactly. And also there's a competition running from Carfulan Group. There's a chance to win 2 VIP tickets for the British Grand Prix this year. If you want to enter, you've got to click the link below to enter your details, or come and visit Carfulan or Zoller at the stand, enter your details for a chance to win these 2 fantastic tickets.